Welcome to Dr. Sulaiman Al Habib IVF Centre in the heart of Dubai. I'd like to welcome you to this unique high-end centre. It combines both excellence in fertility treatments and healthcare, in addition to the high-end state-of-the-art luxurious setting that we are in. The care that we provide for our fertility patients is individualized and customized, tailor-made to meet your needs. As per the WHO, 1 in 6 couples will suffer with infertility at some stage in their lifetime. But what are the causes of infertility? The causes of infertility are 50% related to male and 50% related to female. The male causes will be due to suboptimal parameters in the semen analysis. In the female causes, the most commonest cause of infertility in women is anovulation. And the most commonest cause of anovulation, which may be common to you to hear about, is polycystic ovarian syndrome. There are also other causes that may be related to tubal damage, may be related to endometriosis, fibroids, or polyps. There's a multitude of causes. What we aim to do is provide comprehensive workup for both the male and the female. We take the unit as a couple. For women, we offer full counselling services. We arrange an ultrasound scan and blood tests. This allows us to be able to find out what the reason and the cause may be. We also perform a simple test as a semen analysis for the male because it is a unit and a couple, and we investigate them together. Once we know what the issue may be, then we can proceed to plan. The services we provide, they can include ovulation induction, IUI, which is known as intrauterine insemination, IVF ICSI, which is also known as intracytoplasmic sperm injection, in addition to other tests such as genetic testing, choosing the gender, and egg freezing for fertility preservation in the future. This is where all of the magic happens, and it's important that we have very strict regulations on access and entry to the lab and the type of equipment that we have, but more importantly, the high caliber staff that are employed at Dr. Sulaiman Al Habib IVF lab here in Dubai. What we can see behind me here is the andrology lab. This is where we deal with the semen samples and the sperm prep in order to be able to proceed with our other treatments. The treatments that we suggested before, such as intrauterine insemination, IVF and ICSI. But also, behind the metal door in the background here is access to the embryology lab. This is where life begins. This is where they combine the egg and sperm. They create embryos, and this is the beginning of life. But all of this is within a well-controlled environment that has control about the air quality, the positive pressure, who gains access to the lab. All of these are very, very restricted. This is to look after our embryos, and this is to make sure that everything goes as planned. You may have genetic or hereditary problems. We provide genetic testing. You may also be considering preserving your eggs, so we have fertility preservation. At the back of this, there's something called a cryo room. This cryo room provides dewars. Dewars are special tanks that have liquid nitrogen that keep all of these gametes, which are the sperm, egg and embryo, in a temperature of below minus 196. These preserve these embryos for about 5 to 10 years here in the UAE. Here at Dr. Sulaiman Al Habib IVF Centre in Dubai, we understand and we care for all of your fertility needs. We understand that it's this emotional journey, and we want to walk your path and walk this journey with you. We pride ourselves in the highest success rates, the latest state-of-the-art technology. We try to make you feel at home as much as possible. It's very important to choose your provider, and we feel that it's important for us to be able to walk your path and make your dreams of motherhood, fatherhood, and parenthood come true.